See, what you guys do is you guys cross your fingers and hope that everything goes right. Watch this. Are you the decision maker at your company? Other than yourself, who do you always involved in making decisions?
My operations manager.
Good, good, good. Now, which one of you writes a check when you finally decide on something, a product or service that you want to use?
I do.
Good, good. But you'd want him involved. In addition to him, is there anybody else you'd like just to take a look at it that is maybe that influences decisions at the company?
Nope, that's it.
Good, good. So now I now know it's Peter that writes the checks and that his operations manager influences his decision. Peter, I understand what you like. You like this, this, and this. What's he going to like? He's not even there. How long has he been your operations guy? About 3 years? Good. You know everything about him, right? You trust him? Yes, I do. You're going to have him involved in the decision? Yes, I am. Excellent. What does he like? What doesn't he like? When does he buy something? What's he going to think about this? Well, I don't know. Guess. Take a guess, dude. You know him. Right? So you want to use the influencer who, by the way, might be a bluff. Everybody with me? Might be a stall. And pull out the data. Are you married, John? Peter, are you married? Okay, good. You guys know your wives? So let's say you're out looking for something, and you say, "Hey, I need my wife to look at this." Good, excellent. Everybody try that. Good. Good. Excellent. That's smart, man. I always involve my wife. And I'm thinking to myself, but I don't need her here to involve her. I got her right here, man. She's in my mind, always in there. Do better. Don't use the word fat. Okay? Be more professional. Take care of you. Oh, she's in my head all the time, right? So when I look at a product and look at how much it costs, okay, when I'm buying the plane, I'm thinking, Elena wasn't with me at one point. I'm like, what's she going to think? I'm basically channeling that person, right? They're influencing me. Your job is to get Peter and John to talk about, what's your wife going to think about this? Is she going to like it, not like it, think it's too much, think it's too little? These are the hard questions that y'all don't ask. See, what you guys do is you guys cross your fingers and hope that everything goes right. You hope that it doesn't come up, right? I got to go home and talk to my wife. What's she going to say, John? Huh? She would agree with me. She's going to agree with me. Good sign right there. I'm going back for the close, right? I have an influencer and a decision maker. Peter might say, dude, I don't know what my wife's going to say. Good. I mean, how could you know? She's not here. But what do you think she's going to say? Like if you were going to guess, she's going to say yes, no, maybe. What would it be? She'd say yes. So I got two guys who are just bluffing me.